Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to White City, Saskatchewan. This growing town is located about 10 kilometers east of Regina, right along the Trans-Canada Highway. It's a friendly place where people enjoy quiet streets, open spaces, and a close connection to both the city and the peaceful prairie countryside. White City is part of the flat and wide open plains of southern Saskatchewan, where you can see the sky stretch for miles in every direction. The town began in the 1950s as a small community where people could live outside the city, but still be close enough to work and shop in Regina. It was named after White City, London in England, and started with just a few families and homes. Over the years, more people moved here, and it has grown into a busy, modern community with schools, parks, and local businesses. The land around White City is used for farming, and you'll see wide fields of grain and pasture land all around. It's a peaceful place to visit, with beautiful prairie sunsets and a welcoming small town atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this tour of White City, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.